In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the unsupported language error in Google Ads. First, go to ads.google.com and log into your Google Ads account. Next, navigate to the left sidebar and click on the Campaigns tab. Then, from the Campaigns settings, click and expand the Campaigns option and click on the Campaigns from the Campaigns dropdown. Here, you'll find all your campaigns. Now, hover over the one showing you the unsupported language error. You'll see the gear icon appear. Click on it to edit the campaign settings. Now, in the campaign settings, scroll down until you find the Languages option. Click and expand it. You can see that mine is set to English only and no other language. One of the reasons you receive the unsupported language error is because the language isn't included here. So go ahead and search for the language you want to include, then check the box right next to it. You'll see all the supported languages when you click on the search bar. Look for the ones you want to include, select them, and click Save. Now you can see the languages have been added to your Languages section. Once the language settings match, the error should be resolved. That's how you fix the unsupported language issue in Google Ads. Thanks for watching.